Thank you, Tacticus at Pistolerong Pinoy.
Hi, this is Doc Lawrence. Thank you from Tacticus. This is a good bag. It's very sleek, practical, and durable. Look at it. I can keep my personal things in here. And it's also good for concealed carry. Thank you, Tacticus. Thank you for this bag.
Overall, I would give this bag a very, very good rating. It seems maganda naman yung mga quality of materials niya, very functional, and yun nga, it's branded, made by Tacticus. If you need a concealed carry bag, this is a very good way to do it. And this Tacticus bag really is the next best thing. So very good bag here by Tacticus. So Tacticus, thank you very much for sending me this bag. I appreciate it. Pistolerong Pinoy.